Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Well, in today's video, new recipe, stewed chicken with Swiss chard or spinach. Now definitely this recipe is a masterpiece, so please go ahead and watch a full video, and also please subscribe. So friends, in today's recipe, I'll be using about 1.5 pounds of chicken. Skin has been thoroughly removed and thoroughly washed. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and apply my favorite seasoning. Do keep in mind, for this recipe, you can certainly use any of your favorite seasoning that you enjoy using. For easy convenience, I will go right ahead and leave a full list of ingredients and measurement below so you can always check it out. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and apply some curb and done green seasoning, basically a mixture of thyme, pepper, garlic. Anything that you enjoy using, you certainly can blend it up and you get that lovely green seasoning. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and give it a good mix and set it aside. Next, in a heated pot, we went ahead with about 2 tablespoons of oil. Next, I'm going to add some chopped garlic and also some chopped red onions and stir fry for a few minutes. Next, I went ahead and had half of the tomato, chopped in small cubes. And I'm going to go right ahead and add some red onions and also some mixed onions. Friends, if this is your first time around, please help us by supporting our channel by subscribing, absolutely free, no charge to you. And also be sure to follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and also Facebook. So friends, after 3 minutes, next I'm going to go right ahead and add my seasoned chicken. So friends, here we are after 10 minutes of cooking. Do keep in mind there will be no water added to this recipe. I'm just going to let it continue cooking until fully dissolved. So friends, here we are. Majority of the water has been thoroughly dissolved or cooked down. In a minute or so, I'm just going to go right ahead and add some fresh chopped veggies, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my chopped Swiss or red chard spinach. So friends, at this point my chicken is about 80% cooked. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and add about 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. So my friends, please take a look at this. Absolutely delicious. I definitely want you to give this recipe a try. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and add some chopped fresh veggies and just let cook for a minute or so. So friends, at this point my chicken is fully cooked. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and add my chopped spinach, also known as red chard. So my friend, at this point, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do keep in mind I have some amazing video coming your way pretty soon. I mean pretty soon. So do keep in mind you can find a full list of ingredients and measurement below for this recipe. And if you try the recipe, please go ahead and leave me a comment in the video below and I will definitely get back to you. So my friends, here we are. At this point we are all done. Absolutely delicious. So tell me friends, how easy was this? So please go ahead and subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Stewed chicken with Swiss red chard or spinach.